everyone, what's up? It's Rhea and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe down below, give this video a like, and we'll get right on into the video. So for today's video, I wanted to do an easy, affordable, sustainable swaps that you can have in your life just to be better for the environment and better for the earth. And that kind of plays into our sponsor for today's video. And yes, I said sponsor, and that is Ana Luisa. Ana Luisa is a jewelry brand based out of Brooklyn that makes beautiful gold and silver jewelry pieces, including necklaces, earrings, bracelets, and rings. And like I said, they're Brooklyn, New York based, which is in New York City, and we all know how much I love New York City, so I am so excited to be working with them today. Ana Luisa is a carbon neutral brand. That means any CO2 emissions that are created during the creation of their jewelry, the shipping of their jewelry, or running of their business is replaced by oxygen, so it's not having a negative impact on the environment. And that just means that you can enjoy their jewelry guilt-free and not have to worry about any of the impact that it has on the environment like you do with some other brands. And did I mention that they're affordable? Their prices start at $39, and this is high-end jewelry that I'm talking about. $39? Are you kidding me? They don't believe in overpricing their jewelry, so they try to make it as affordable as possible for their customers. And I'm lucky enough to have been sent a few of their pieces, including this Elsa collage necklace, which is this beautiful gold necklace, and it has a white background with colorful abstract shapes on it, as well as their Hannah collage earrings, which just so happen to match the necklace. And I chose these pieces because gold jewelry is actually outside my comfort zone. I usually wear silver, but I saw these pieces and instantly fell in love because of the colorful element that is brought into them with the collage pieces. I mean, how could I resist? I also received this Elsa sunset necklace, which has a beautiful pink, blue, and orange charm on it, as well as this smile necklace, which just says smile and it's gold. And I chose the smile necklace because I just think people would read it and maybe they would smile and just be a little bit happier or just be reminded to smile. I also just thought that it would make me smile more when I read it and see it. And I chose the Elsa sunset necklace because I love the color scheme, and it's also bringing in the pops of color while wearing gold jewelry. So it's like bringing in a bit of my comfort zone color with a bit of outside my comfort zone, which is gold. So you should definitely check out Ana Luisa. My unique link will be down in the description box below. So please go click that and shop on their website. They have so many beautiful pieces, and new pieces come out every Friday. And like I already said, they start at $39, which is pretty dang affordable, and you can get 20% off with their summer sale. And along with these beautiful jewelry pieces that I will be wearing all summer long, I wanted to show you a few other sustainable swaps so you can make in your life to help the environment and cause less waste. So the first thing I want to talk about is reusable plastic bags. They're obviously not plastic because they're reusable. These bags can be used if you ever have leftover food or vegetables that you need to store in your fridge, and instead of using like a Ziploc plastic single-use bag, you can use these. And I got these at TJ Maxx, so pretty affordable. I think they were $6 for 4 of them, and I got fun colors as well. And then they don't just lock as in you push them, they actually have these nice plastic pieces that you can pull off, and that's how you can open them up. They also have flat bottoms, so you can store more in it. It's not just flat against, but it can be flat when you're storing it, so you save space. It also has measurement lines for like the milliliters or the cups or the ounces, so you can see just about how much you have left of something. So I am very excited to have these and to use these and to not use single plastic bags anymore. These will overall save you money in the long run, and they're way better for the earth. And going along with more reusable kitchen items are these reusable rubbery lids. So they're supposed to replace like plastic wrap or tin foil that you just put on a container that doesn't have a lid, or that you can't find the lid if you're me. These are reusable, so they stick onto the lids and they create a good seal, and then you just hand wash them in between uses. And I got 4 of these as well, and I'm pretty sure it was only $4. Another form of this is beeswax wraps. People use those to put on top of their containers. I got a couple more kitchen items for you. So these reusable metal straws. I also want to get reusable glass straws just because they look nice and then you can actually see the inside of them to make sure they're super, super clean. But I've been using these reusable metal straws for probably 3 years now, and I haven't had to replace them or get rid of them. They've just lasted me years and years, and I actually got a pack off of Amazon that has 3 sizes. So you have like the straight skinny one, you have the straight like thicker one for smoothies or milkshakes, and then you have like the bent straw. And I use these almost every single day with my coffee, and they just replace plastic single-use straws. So you're not throwing things away, you just keep reusing these and keep washing these. And this set that I specifically got came with a brush that can be used to wash them. So you just use soap, wash them out, and you can use them again. And I don't think I mentioned this, but I'll link all the products down below if I can find similar ones to them, because I did buy some of them in store. And the last reusable kitchen item is a reusable water bottle. And I know these things have been around forever, and a lot of people do use them, but single-use plastic bottles are still being used every single day. And if you use this instead of a single-use plastic bottle, you are helping the environment. And I use this every single day as well. My friend Allison actually got me this for a secret holiday gift giving thing. Long story short, all of my friends don't celebrate Christmas, but we still wanted to do like a gift exchange near the holiday time. So Allison actually had me as my secret gift giver and she got me this water bottle, and this one's the Swell brand, so these can be a little bit more pricey, like $30-ish, but there are plenty of reusable water bottles out there that aren't as expensive as this one. And I personally like the metal ones because they keep my drink cold and or hot if I want them hot. I guess not and, because it's not going to keep it cold and hot. Warm, but it does keep my drinks either cold or hot for a very long time, so that's why I like to use the metal ones. But there are plastic ones out there as well. If you are going to use a plastic reusable water bottle, just make sure they're BPA free, just to keep yourself safe. And the next items I'm going to talk about, my sister actually informed me about, and it's wool dryer balls. I was a person that used dryer sheets all my life because they make your clothes feel good and soft, and they make your clothes smell good, but I didn't know the environmental impact that they had. They just get thrown out, they're not recyclable, but with these, you don't have to throw anything out, nothing is being wasted. You can get like a pack of 6 or 12 or something off of Amazon, I'll link them down below. These you just throw in the dryer, and they actually decrease your dry time. They like tumble between your clothes to make it a better dry. And you can put essential oils on the dryer balls, so then they can smell however you want. So if you want lavender, just put lavender oil. You want citrus, put orange or lemon oil on here. And they'll make your clothes smell good, they'll keep them soft, and you won't be wasting any product with them. So I use these every single time. You use 4 or 6 depending on how many clothes you put in the dryer, and honestly I just use all of them at the same time, and then you let them dry in between, but most of the time I have found them to be dry once the dryer is done, so I can just keep reusing them. And I may have to replace mine soon because you can see they're a little raggedy and a little used, but I'm going to use them until I can't anymore. Nyx also likes to play with these as a toy and tries to steal them, but she is in the room, so she cannot steal them right now. And then the last thing I want to talk about is thrifting. And I know that's not a new topic on my channel. I absolutely love thrifting, and thrifting is such a good way to enjoy fashion without feeling guilty about the environmental impact that it has. Kind of like this jewelry. And I just wanted to show you guys a couple of pieces that I picked up recently and where you can find thrifted clothes. So the first thing I have is this cute Steve Madden yellow bag. I think it's perfect for summer or fall because mustard is always huge in the fall. And I got this bag for I think $10, and it looks like it's never even been used. Even if it wasn't used, at least it's secondhand, so then I can get good use out of this if the first owner didn't. And then this is not going into a landfill or not getting thrown away, and it will get a lot of love from me. So I'm excited to use this all summer and fall long. And I also picked that up at Plato's Closet, which is my personal favorite thrift store, but there's many different types of thrift stores, many locally owned, many smaller ones, many big ones. It just kind of depends on where you live. When I was in New York City, I actually went to Crossroads and Buffalo Exchange, and another one that I don't know the name of. Just look up thrift store on Google and I'm sure plenty will show up. Usually if I'm in a new place, I just type in thrift store and I just start going through and seeing the ones that look good to me. Another piece that I got from Plato's Closet, which I haven't even worn yet, is this beautiful paisley 70s looking top. It has the bell sleeves, it has a tie at the bottom, and it's like across the shoulder top. I also picked up this romper that I'm wearing today from Plato's as well. But this is from Windsor originally, and it was originally $27. Still has the tag on it, so this person never wore it. And I got it for $4. $4 because it was on sale. But still, $4 for this cute shirt, and I have a perfect pair of high-waisted flared pants that will fit with it. I'm just gonna be living my 70s realness. So that's another piece that I wanted to show you guys. I'm sure I'll have more thrift hauls of all thrifted items in the future. And the last piece I wanted to talk about is these green pants. So you don't have to only go in store to thrift. You can also thrift online. There's many places like Poshmark, ThredUp, Mercari, and my favorite, Depop. So I got these pants. They're green pinstriped, they're cuffed at the bottom, and I got them off of Depop. And fun story is I actually got them from one of my favorite YouTubers, and her name is Dani Cayero. I want to say it like her. Dani Cayero. Is that good? I'm sure she wouldn't see this, so she couldn't correct me, but I got them from Dani, and she used to be Dani Cimorelli, if you know her from the band Cimorelli. She was selling her used clothes online, and I decided to pick up these pants, but you can find really cool items online, and thrifting online gives you more options for sizing, because thrift stores, especially thrift stores like Plato's Closet that rely on people selling their clothes to them, don't always have the biggest size range. But when you shop online, you can put in your sizes on like ThredUp or Depop, and then they will only show you pieces that are in your size, so you don't have to worry about sifting through clothes that aren't going to fit you. If you ever struggle with not being able to find clothes while you're thrifting, definitely look online, because there will be a greater size range that you can look through, and you can find many, many, many pieces on there. But that is all I have for our haul today. I hope this inspired you to see a few sustainable swaps that you can make in your life, and they're affordable, so there's not much excuse not to at least try them out. And I'd like to say thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. It really means so much to me to be able to work with them, and I want to remind you to check out the description box down below. It's my personal link that you can shop from. I love their jewelry pieces. I love the pieces that I got. You will definitely be seeing me wear these all over Instagram all summer long. They'll be popping up, and if you saw this video, then you'll definitely recognize where they're from. And their pieces start at $39, and they have a sale for the summer going on of 20% off. So definitely check them out. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe down below, and comment down below, have you tried Ana Luisa out? Because I'd like to know. Okay, thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one, which will be on Sunday, I think. Bye!